We are at the Nassau port. At the time, it was under construction. Behind me here is pretty much an access for golf carts and other vehicles to take either construction supplies or for the travelers from the cruise ships, from the cruise ship to the entrance of the port. As you can see a few seconds ago, a golf cart drove by, and that's pretty much what it's used for. See how you see the trucks and the golf carts? It opened up a few weeks after we were here. I was talking to a security guard, and he was saying that only vehicles or golf carts can go there. No walking involved. We have the Dream and the Maravilla, MSC, and Carnival. MSC is that was a very large ship. Kind of put the Dream to shame. Right here we have the entrance. This building is brand new. They just built it at the time when we were there. Very big, very different style building. Really cool. I've never seen anything like this before. I noticed it was very clean, very organized. It felt safe, and it's definitely something to look at. Just by looking, we didn't really stay long. I really wanted to see what this port was like, what the difference was between last year and this year. It did have the grand opening, I think, May 26th, I think. I can't remember. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Beautiful port. A lot of time and effort was built into this. There it is. But it's a beautiful ship. I can't wait until 2025. We're going on the World America in 2025, so it's gonna be pretty exciting. Yeah, that's the MSC. We are gonna go back on the ship because I didn't really plan on going out of the port. It was more like I wanted to see the port itself, see what the updates are. Looks really nice from last year. But there's still more to come, so see you soon. If you look out, they're doing the abandoned ship testing, making sure the boats and stuff work, the lifeboats. It's pretty cool. There've been alarms going off. It's really cool. They're just making sure everything works and safe and up to code. You don't see that a lot. I've never seen it before. This is the first time I've ever seen it. I think you can take part of it. Oh yeah, we made it back to the ship. I got right there. We went over there. I think that's Margaritaville. Past the bridge. And we're off. Bye, Nassau. Bye, Maravilla. check out all these towel animals.
Most of the fitness watches.